Hello friends, today let us see career opportunities in home science. Home science education is work-life education. From time immemorial down the ages of civilization, home and family has been the core of all human development and the society at large. By catering to the physical, emotional, and spiritual needs of the members, the home gives meaning to life and refine the life of citizen, leading to better living and thus building a healthy and developed country. Home science is a scientific course of study which molds a students with a variety of life skills. This is a unique discipline. Yes, home science is an art as well as a science. Home science means the art of managing the resources efficiently and the science of achieving a healthy and happy home as well as successful career. You must have noticed the word art and science being used together in this definition. This is because home science teaches you the art of using things so that a harmonious whole is achieved and an overall pleasant effect is created. At the same time, it gives you all the scientific knowledge of the procedures involved in making a home aesthetics. Let us see the example. Home science will teach you about the different nutrients required by the body and the different functions they perform. So that's why it is called as a science. When you are able to select various dishes having those necessary nutrients and serve them attractively to your family and motivate them to eat the right food, then it is said to be an art. Developing the ability to communicate effectively with all the family members, including children and elderly, is an important skill and art that we all have to inculcate for harmonious interpersonal relationship and a happy and peaceful life. This essential skill is also learned by studying home science. Most people think that home science is confined to mastering household activities, but the fact is that the field of home science has advanced considerably since its origin. Today, home science is a vibrant field of study. With growing concern for health and nutrition and the changing lifestyles of present generation, home science course has come to limelight. Its changing outlook has attracted several students, enabling them to pursue a successful career. This is a recognized professional course and requires its students to have a logical and intellectual mind. A degree in home science opens up excellent career opportunities while also equipping students with the skills needed to manage their home in a dynamic environment. Misconceptions about home science are being shed, and the subject has opened the doors to new avenues in many fields of life. On the whole, the goals of home science can be spelled out as for prosperous living and achieving the highest happiness. Home science is an interdisciplinary course. Yes, it is an interdisciplinary field of knowledge which draws upon many disciplines such as chemistry, physics, physiology, biology, hygiene, economics, rural development, child development, sociology, and family relations, community living, art, food and nutrition, fabric and apparel designing, clothing, textiles, human development, resource management and communication, and home management. Let us see the aims of home science. The home science aims at achieving and maintaining the welfare and well-being of home, social, and family life in an ever-changing society. Next, let us move on to the educational opportunities. Home science can be taken up as a subject at the 10th plus 2 stages. Education in home science is offered at 4 levels: diploma levels, first degree levels, postgraduate levels, and pre-doctoral and doctoral levels. In home science, there are five main branches are there. They are food and nutrition, human development, textiles and clothing, family resource management, and home science. Now, let us see each and every one in detail. First, let us see the foods and nutrition. This area of home science helps students to recognize that nutrition is important for healthy living and that health is essential for success and happiness. It gives understanding about the types of foods, its functions, requirements, sources, storage, preparation, principles and methods of preserving foods, chemistry and metabolism of nutrients in health and diseases, meal planning, about the danger of the population explosion on health status of the people, understanding community nutrition problems and ways of imparting nutrition and health education to different target populations. Then next let us move on to the another branch, that is human development. The area of human development and family studies exposes the study students to the various aspects of growth and development, that is from conception to old age. It aims at creating awareness regarding the crucial importance of early childhood, school going, and adolescent years and the dynamics of contemporary family life. The major purpose is to understand childhood, development, education, guidance, special needs of children and adolescents, develop various indigenous and practically possible skills for organizing children's activities. It also includes the study of women, population education, psychology, sociology, the lifespan development, counseling and guidance, and community development. And third category is textiles and clothing. This area aims at providing knowledge regarding purchasing family clothings. Not only the purchasing family clothings, about it, the fabric constructions, nature and types of fiber, dyeing, printing and weaving of clothes, etc. It deals with the care and maintenance of varied types of clothings and its selection according to the climate, occasion and availability. This branch of home science requires a science background as it deals with understanding of the chemistry of textiles industries. The fourth one is the family resource management. This is another important area of home science. It aims at importing various concepts and principles of management in home managing, acquiring information regarding the selection of appropriate equipment for home, their operations, care and maintenance, learning to make wise financial decisions. There is expenditure and savings, facts about housing, work simplification techniques, interior decorations, fuel and energy management with the appropriate technologies available for better living. The fifth one is a home science extension education. The role of extension education in home science is crucial as it deals and interacts with all other branches of home science. The major objectives of it is to extend and translate the knowledge of other branches of home science such as nutrition, human development and family studies, clothing and textiles into action for the general well-being of public focus. Its special focus involves the understanding of rural economic structures as India lives and survives in rural villages and improving their general standard of living. It strives to improve the social, economic, educational status of the common mass through the use of audio-visual aids, adult education programs, functional literacy programs, planning and execution of welfare programs. So apart from these main branches of home science, nowadays they have added that food service management also. This is the most recent branch of home science owing to the need and demand of present day societies. It provides knowledge regarding different food steps, its requirements by the individual in different stages and conditions of life, nature and type of serving to different institutions like school, colleges, hospitals, hotels, industries and organizations, along with its knowledge regarding food values, nutrients, preservative functions. It also provides training and education regarding the type of uh, diets required during special health conditions. Apart from these core subjects, home science also include that ancillary and allied subjects like physiology, biochemistry, microbiology, basic research methodology, entrepreneurship development, family life education, family dynamics, personality development, fashion designing, food preservation and quality control. Now let us move on to the career opportunities in home science. Different type of jobs that are available to home scientists after completing their graduate and postgraduate courses. Let us see one by one. If the student is very much interested in food and nutrition means, they can be a dietary assistant, dietetics technicians, caterer, food service manager, specialty cook, baker, and chef in various hospitality industries. Even in food industries, they can be a nutrition consultants, nutritionist, food technologist, and scientist. And then they can also be biochemist and microbiologist in medical laboratories and industries. Even they can be a food consumer product testers, product representative, public relation representative, and consumer news writers. If they are very much interested in human development means, they can be a family planning counselor, project associate consultant, psychologist, or counselors in healthcare organizations. Even they can work as a child care supervisor, preschool teacher, special education AD, after school program supervisor. If they are very much very much interested in hotel management means, they can be a guest house manager, housekeeping manager, hospitality supervisor, hotel and motel manager, convention coordinator, window display designer, interior design assistant, photo stylist, furnishing buyers, housekeeping instructor. If they are very much interested in textiles and clothing means, they can be work as a assistant designer, fashion illustrator, textile technician, textile apparel designer, computer imaging consultant, merchandise displayer, apparel merchandiser, and fashion buyer. If they are very much interested in social service means, they can work as social service technicians or AD, community worker, and special needs case worker. Or if they are very much interested in internet means, they can work as research associate, agricultural package developer, and analyst in multinational software companies. Work as a news editor, media manager, radio jockey, and agriculture journalist in media agencies. Apart from this, if they are very much interested in teaching means, if they have finished a B.Ed course means, they can work as a teacher in schools, or if they have finished a MSc MPhil and qualified for NET and SLET means, they can opt a job for assistant professor in colleges. Apart from this, they can work as a researcher in research station. Home science graduate gets a job in both government and private sectors. They are recruited in government sectors according to their experience. Few of the jobs available in government are child development project officer, family planning counselor, medical officer, deputy registrar, online nutrition experts, social media analyst, and junior stenographer. Then they can be work as a education officer in Ministry of Labor and Employment. They can be officer in Directorate of Extension Education. They can work as a rural advisor in Planning Commission. Even they will get job in commodity boards, that is coffee board, tea board, or they can work as an extension officer in state government, or they can work in that central government department like Food Corporation of India, Central Warehouse Corporation, and Plant Production. Or they can get job opportunities in Central Food Technological Research Institute, National Institute of Nutrition, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, and National Institute of Rural Development. But they can also work in international agencies also, like United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, or they can employed in Food and Agricultural Organization, or in Cooperative for American Relief everywhere. So if the students wants to go abroad, there are empty numbers of opportunities are also available in abroad. Just like in India, home science graduate gets better job in abroad as well. BSc home science graduate are very much required, especially in developed countries, as they focus more on topics such as family planning, nutrition. So few jobs available in abroad are dietitians, nutritionist, family planning officer, food technician, fashion designer, and textile quality. Suppose if the students they won't get any job in anywhere, means no need to worry about it, because they are studying arts and science aspects in home science. They have lot of skill oriented courses in home science. As a result, they can be a good entrepreneur. They can be a producer of household craft items, decorative articles, and creative items. They can be a owner of a nursery school, daycare center, crèche, Valvadi. They can be a owner of a guest house or based accommodations. Even they can run consulting agencies, that is like event manager and program planner. Even they can be a tailor or a finisher for stitched garments. Even they can set up boutique, knitted garment unit, weaving unit, and fabric enrichment unit. Even they can be a owner of dry cleaning shop. They can run a canteen or do a outdoor catering service for parties. They can be a supplier of packed meals and food service from home. They can set up a bakery, food processing and preservation unit on their own. They can conduct classes in cooking, garment construction, fabric enrichment, soft tie making, knitting and weaving, or they can do business like packaging gift articles, selling fresh and dry flower arrangement, or they can do a contractual services for decoration for parties, or they can be a writer of articles for children's and women's magazines. Till now we have seen a empty numbers of avenues or opportunities available for home science. It's a duty to the home scientist. Choose a best or suitable career for them that suits you. Okay friends, Thank you. Thank you for your patient hearing.